Hey y'all, Yardec Guy here back again, and I'm going to install mole repeller. These are solar. You can see here, you go out in the yard and there's all these little places that are raised up and you step on, and see those things? That's where moles are. So what I'm going to do is install this. I'm going to get these moles out of this yard. It says it chases away moles, voles, and gophers, and it's even got a snake on there. And by the way, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order this online. But without further ado, let's get this sucker in the ground. And I think it says it's got a, let's see, the range. Oh yeah, it says coverage area up to 5,000 square feet per unit. Now keep in mind, these are solar, so you want to keep them in a sunny part of your yard and or wherever you're installing it to get rid of your moles and your voles. Here we go, let's get these suckers in the ground. So here they are out of the box. You can see they got a little on-off switch, and then on the top they got solar panels. Sun recharges them. They got these stakes, so you're gonna need to stick them in a hole. If you need a hole, you can use a little auger for your drill and drill a hole. Let's get these in the ground. The ground's soft. Oh yeah, it's probably best if it's rained recently. That'll make it easier. So here's one of the two installed. Look at that. And it just made the sound. That's the sound it makes. And then I put the other one over here. Again, be sure to position them where they can get sunlight. See, here's the other one. So I just used the auger, put it in the ground. So now I'll hopefully drive these moles out of the ground like a boss. And again, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order these solar mole deterrents. See, look at how they messed up my yard, man. Look at this. See, I step on it, it sinks down. Because the moles have been here, man. The moles and the voles and the snakes. To be continued. I'll post a follow-up video, and look at that. There's a big hole right there. Man, they make a mess. Messing up this yard. This fine yard. Subscribe and stay tuned. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Yardec Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.